Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up day number 7 of my Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Let's see what's in it. I know in the first couple days here I've been kind of shy about opening up the doors, and now I am just so looking forward to seeing what's in them that I'm just opening them right up. Oh cool, this is some stencils. I bet these are layering stencils. So the product number is STN-036W7. Let's open it up. And I bet I can layer these up. So is there numbers anywhere? No. I'm getting Swiss cheese vibes. Okay. I guess I'm not sure which way these are technically supposed to go. I suppose you could use this one multiple different ways. You could make this a little confetti moment with the happy birthday die from day number 4 here. You could make this kind of like a little starry night with the little wizard from day number 6. I'm not sure, but kind of get creative, I suppose. But I will have to pull out some inks and give this a try. Anyway, thanks for coming to my video, day number 7. And if you're interested in day number 8, come on back tomorrow and we'll open it up.